The MaxPlus Alpha 2.0 cooler features live, integrated temperature monitoring and easy-to-access audit-ready temperature data. It is pre-validated for up to 24 hours, between 1 to 6 degrees Celsius, and holds 2 to 10 units of blood. Designed for stat issue, the cooler packs out within seconds with no bench time design, temperature monitoring, and a lid alarm to meet all SOP and compliance standards. Place the temperature sensor in two S6 gel packs in the refrigerator between 1 to 6 degrees Celsius. 3 BP0P gel packs must be preconditioned in the freezer between -20 to -30 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. When it's time to pack out your cooler, your gel packs must be placed in first. Grab 2 refrigerated gel packs from the refrigerator and 3 of your frozen gel packs from the freezer. Please do not remove the temperature sensor at this time. When you go to pack out your cooler, go ahead and place 1 frozen gel pack in the pouch attached to the lid of the cooler. And then you're going to grab your 2 other additional frozen gel packs and place them against the 2 opposite side walls. Place the 2 refrigerated gel packs on the inside of the 2 frozen gel packs. Turn on the MaxTrace controller first. Note the battery level as the system starts. If it is less than 50%, you may need to charge it, otherwise you risk data loss. Please review that the date, sample rate, and temperature range are at your preferred setting. It is recommended that the temperature range should always have a lower limit of 1 degree Celsius and an upper limit of 6 degrees Celsius. You can easily adjust the sample rate, temperature range, and date using the buttons on the controller. When prompted by the controller, retrieve the sensor from the refrigerator, making sure to grab it in the center and not on the sides. Turn on the temperature sensor by pressing the black button until you see a blue flashing light. Note that you can check the current temperature in the cooler by the display right here. Now you may place it into the slot at the bottom of the cooler. Your cooler is now ready for the product. Please place the product into the cooler vertically, starting closest to the sensor and working away towards the front. Your cooler is now fully packed out and ready for delivery. Please note that the cooler performance depends upon the amount of product stored in the cooler. For example, 2 units can provide up to 12 hours of performance, while 10 units can validate up to 24 hours. Press the select button to stop temperature monitoring. Please do not turn off the cooler or open the lid before downloading the data. Visit the App Store and search for MaxTemp to download our app. Before you open MaxTemp, make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Once you open the app, click the Connect tab next to the Alpha 2.0 image and then select your cooler number from the list. After a brief loading period, your data will appear. Here you can view the current cooler temperature, the cooler's active time, the payload status, and the lid status. Click the History button to view a timeline of your cooler's temperature. You can scroll with your finger to view the time and temperature at any point along this line. In order to download this data, press the Share PDF button. You could send an email of the PDF to your preferred contact. Visit the Play Store and search for MaxTemp to download our app. Before you open MaxTemp, make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Once you open the app, click the Connect tab next to the Alpha 2.0 image and then select your cooler number from the list. After a brief loading period, your data will appear. Here you can view the current cooler temperature, the cooler's active time, the payload status, and the lid status. Click the History button to view a timeline of your cooler's temperature. You can scroll with your finger to view the time and temperature at any point along this line. In order to download this data, press the Share button. Here you can download the PDF data to your phone or send an email of the PDF to your preferred contact. Download the MaxTemp app, then install and run it. Make sure that your laptop's Bluetooth is turned on and then select your cooler number from the list. You will be presented with a screen with a timer counting down for 30 seconds. This is how long it should take for the report to generate. Select the Reports button on the left sidebar. You will then see a screen that includes data from the cooler run. At this point, you can download the PDF by clicking the Download button. More detailed instructions about downloading the data can be found in the link in the description below. To turn off your MaxTrace controller, simply press the power button. To turn off the sensor, remove it from the box and hold down the black button until the blue light no longer flickers. To charge your MaxTrace controller, plug in the power adapter with the charge cord attached. Remove the logger from the slot, then plug the cord into the port on the bottom right. A red light should turn on, followed by the LCD screen with the current battery charge. If you would like to learn more about our Alpha 2.0 cooler, please visit our website at www.pacmaxq.com.